Today's video is a super sad day for my ride or die Medicube Booster Pro. This device has literally transformed the way that I do my skincare routine. But sadly, there's a new kid on the block. You can thank me later. Hey, thanks for joining me for this video today. If this is your first time here, I'm TJ. I'm a 43-year-old skincare enthusiast, trainee esthetician, and a little bit of a nerd when it comes to the science of how it all works. Today, we are going to be diving deep into the ultimate skincare device showdown. The Medicube Booster Pro versus the why pay more 6-in-1 Beauty Booster Dupe. Wow, that was a tongue twister. Now, I know what you're thinking. TJ, can a dupe really live up to its luxury counterpart? Or is it just another sad story of you get what you pay for? Well, buckle up, my friends, because we're about to find out. But before we start, I'm curious to know what is the most questionable dupe that you've ever bought when it comes to skincare devices? Was it love at first swipe, or did it go straight into your skincare graveyard? Let me know in the comments, because I myself always appreciate a little bit of friendly advice and navigation when it comes to choosing the best of the best. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. In the most glowing, pore tightening way possible, of course, but let's do this. Okay, so let's kick things off by breaking down the details and seeing what makes these devices tick. On one hand, we have the Medicube Booster Pro. This is the Swiss Army knife of skincare devices. And it features not one, not two, not even three, but 4 main modes. And 2 extra add-ons that aim to take your skincare from meh to glow-tastic. You want radiance? Check out the booster mode for that lit from within glow while maximizing ingredient absorption. Need to plump up those fine lines and those wrinkles? The microcurrent mode activates collagen production like nobody's business. And for my fellow fans of firm skin, the DERMASHOT mode gets those facial muscles flexing and contracting like you're giving it its very own personal gym workout, while the AIRSHOT mode gives your pores a spa day, tightening them up for a smoother glass-like skin finish. But wait, just when you thought that was it, there's more. There's the sonic vibration for when your skin needs that extra bit of TLC. And then there's the 5 LED colors, which are gonna address everything from acne to pigmentation, all the way through to complexion, because who said you couldn't multitask? And no, this isn't girl math, not a girl, but I am someone who appreciates good skin, especially as I enter the winter years of my life. So I'm literally gonna toss out those dated phrases like girl math. It's not girl math. Good skin math. Okay, so in this corner we have got the 6-in-1 Beauty Booster Dupe, the underdog that might just surprise us all. Like the Medicube Booster Pro, this bad boy is also CE certified, and it also packs 6 essential functions that literally meet every skincare need under the sun. So Swiss Army knife, 1st gen, meet Swiss Army knife, 2nd gen. From the glow care mode with its electroporation and high frequency vibration, to the line care mode that adds a microcurrent twist. This is all sounding quite familiar. We've got contour care mode for that ultimate lift, and even a pore care mode with that needle-free microneedling technology, without the ouch, that is going to leave your skin looking glass-like. And don't forget about the acne care mode. Because let's be honest, who hasn't had the occasional breakout in their life, or that spot that just won't quit? So, are we looking at a total glow up? Or will the 6-in-1 just be another useless wannabe? If you're thinking about heading off at this point, you might want to stick around just for a little bit longer, because I'm about to test these head to head on my face. Okay, let's turn them on. So as you can see, they both start on the orange light, which is the booster mode. For these to work, I do need to apply some skincare products, but as I want to test out the needle-free technology first, which is the AIRSHOT mode in the Medicube Booster Pro, or the pore care mode in the Dupe, I need to do this on dry skin, so I'm just going to zip through to those modes. So microcurrent mode, both green. Contour care, which is the EMS. DERMASHOT mode, which is also EMS, both red light. Pore care mode, the vibration is activated. This is the needle-free MicroShot technology, which should be AIRSHOT mode, and they're the same. Okay, so let's do this. So with this needle-free technology, you don't want the device to be touching the actual skin. You want to angle it and just kind of brush it gently across your skin. And straight away, this is neck and neck. This feels identical. Oh man, this is crazy. This mode that I'm using right now, I would not be able to tell if I shut my eyes and had someone doing this on my skin with a random device. I wouldn't be able to tell you which one was which. Okay, these are on level 1. I'm going to up these to level 5 respectively. So I like that the Booster Pro Dupe has a British accent. The Booster Pro from Medicube is American.
Level 5. Level 5.
Oh wow, that microneedling sensation, 100% there on both of them. I would say, yeah, this is identical. Neck and neck, there is no way for me to distinguish between the two of these. I guess the only difference is the shape of the head of the device tips. The Medicube Booster Pro is a raindrop shape, which makes it really easy to get right up into the corners of the nose and the eye joint. The Dupe is a round head, which maybe not quite as sleek, but wow, this crazy good. Okay, so for the Medicube AIRSHOT mode, which on the Beauty Booster Dupe is the pore care mode, these 100% identical. The sensation, the hair singe smell that you kind of get from it. The main point though that I can note with this one is that vibration wise, the Booster Pro is a lot smoother and more fluid. This one is a lot more intense and not quite as smooth vibration wise. Also, when you remove the devices from the skin, the Booster Pro Dupe continues running the frequency. The Medicube Booster Pro deactivates until it makes contact again. But yeah, definitely there's no way to distinguish between the two of these. These are both neck and neck the same. So a 10 out of 10 and a 10 out of 10 for the pore care. Okay, so next up I'm going to check the booster mode versus the glow care mode, which is supposed to be the electroporation for both of them, which is going to help to encourage that product penetration, push that product in the skin. You can really feel this kind of mode when it's working in the skin. I've been using this device here for almost a year now, so I'll be able to tell if this one is performing the same. Obviously, I need to apply some product, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on a little bit of the collagen jelly cream. I swear this stuff gives my skin life. Now, I could be one of those heathens that just dunks the device into the jelly cream, but I'm not doing that. I'm just going to take a little bit on the spatula. Just going to apply it around here. Make sure that I've got a nice generous layer on both sides.
Level 5. Level 5.
Okay, they both waited till they touched the skin to activate. Like, the technology in both of these so far seems to be identical. This is crazy. Now, obviously, I've been using this one for a little while, but I've not actually done like a side-by-side comparison. So comparing them together, I think I might have just found a super affordable dupe. Again, the vibration on the dupe is not the same. The Medicube Booster Pro vibration is a lot more subtle. It's quieter. This one sounds a little bit like a hamster in a running wheel, but I'm going to let that slide because it's working as well as this. And both of them are deactivating as soon as they're coming away from the skin. And as soon as they touch, it's activating again. This is so cool. On the Booster Pro Dupe, it's line care. On the Booster Pro, it is microcurrent mode. Take these up. Wow, the vibration on the dupe is a little bit excessive. The microcurrent sensation, identical. Again, I wouldn't be able to tell. Wow, actually, you know, the rhythmic vibration from the dupe, actually kind of nice. Yeah, okay. The microcurrent mode on both of them, identical. When you remove them from the skin, both of them stop, start, stop, start. Okay, so far this is neck and neck. This is literally a third of the cost, which to me is insane with how well it's performing. DERMASHOT mode, which is EMS. On the dupe, it's contour care, the same thing. Okay, sensation wise, the Booster Pro is a little bit more intense and stronger with the electrical frequency, but only just. Actually, when it comes to the EMS output on the Booster Pro, I massively preferred the EMS or the medium frequency energy that they had on the Medicube DERMASHOT device, which was the Y-shaped rolling device. Why they discontinued that one for the life of me, I don't know. Like, the EMS is good in the Booster Pro, but it is nothing compared to like on the DERMASHOT. I'm just glad that I bought a couple of the DERMASHOT devices because those devices are life to me. Okay, I think that's enough of a comparison for these two. I would say that the Medicube Booster Pro just pips the Booster Dupe ever so slightly. Sensation wise, it's almost neck and neck. You know, the Booster Pro is like whisper quiet when it's working. The Dupe, a little bit noisy, but also is working and it's delivering on the mode it's meant to be delivering. So, you know, I can't fault it for that. Wow, this is really close. So we've done all of the modes with the Medicube Booster Pro, but on the Dupe, we also have
Pore care, acne care.
Acne Care mode. Again, like the line shot mode, uses the needle-free microneedling technology where you're going to be brushing it against the skin. It also makes use of a combined blue-red light, which comes out as purple. This is healing for the skin, but it's also going to battle and tackle that acne-causing bacteria. It's got the high-frequency vibrations. So again, what you're basically doing is you're going to be targeting the areas where breakouts happen the most, which is normally on the cheeks, on the chin, along the nose, and then onto the T-zone forehead. Now, apparently this mode, it also claims to help reduce and minimize oil production. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, just playing around, having fun with it, and I don't think it has really helped to minimize any oil production. But the acne mode, since I've used it, funny enough, I mean, it could just be coincidence, but I have not had a single breakout since I started using the acne mode. Yeah, an additional program on the Booster Dupe. So you're actually getting more for your money, and that pains me to say that because the Medicube Booster Pro is my ride or die. It is the device that has become the most integral part of my skincare routine. And before anyone says, I've mentioned this in a couple of videos now because I've had this accusation thrown at me, Medicube has never, not once, I swear on my life, paid me to create content for them. They have never paid me to talk good about their devices or their topical products. I have never been paid by Medicube to create content. I've never been told by Medicube to create content or what to say in the content. I create content with Medicube products and devices because they have really worked for me. They've transformed my skincare routine for the better. And I get that when someone creates a lot of content about a product, it can come across as that you've been bought by that brand. But hand on heart, I swear to you guys, on my life, hands down, Medicube has never paid me to make content. I just love them as a brand. I love the product lines that they carry, and yeah, it's just something that really resonated with me and became such a big part of my skincare routine. Just wanted to share it with you guys. But I understand that it's also quite expensive compared to a lot of other skincare products and topicals and devices out there. It's not always the easiest to get your hands on in certain countries or different parts around the world, which is why I find as a review channel and also as a skincare channel, super important for me to be able to bring you guys dupes like this or alternative technologies so that you also have the opportunity to be able to take the power of your skincare back, to be able to do all of these same kind of treatments that really have benefited my skin so much. Like, I just want you guys to be able to have the same kind of opportunities, and I do get that price can be restrictive. I do get that your location can be restrictive. Hopefully things like this make that easier for you guys. Okay, so verdict time. Now, I love my Medicube Booster Pro as if it was my actual child. I mean, no joke, it's practically got its own spot at the dinner table. But let's be real, the 6-in-1 Beauty Booster Dupe, it's seriously dope. And it's delivering on all fronts. It's delivering on glow, it's delivering on contour, it's delivering on lift, you name it. And what's even more is that it's doing this at a fraction of the price of this. Now, if you hadn't already picked up on it in the video, the vibration in the Dupe, I'm not a massive fan of. I don't dislike it, don't love it. It's just not quite as fluid and smooth as the vibration that you've got in the Booster Pro. But honestly, with this device being just shy of a quarter of the cost of this one, I can totally let that slide. And really, it's not that big of a deal, like if it's your first device out of the two of this. The vibration is just going to be completely normal for you. For me, it's not, because I'm used to the Booster Pro. But yeah, price-wise and for the way that it delivers, totally just let it slide. The vibration, like, it's really not that deep. So I guess I'm going to pass this over to you now, guys. Do you think that the Dupe is actually worth it? Like, if you've tried the Dupe already, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Or are you more Team Medicube and down with sticking with the OG, like me? Though not gonna lie, if the power cut and I had to pick one device up to treat my skin, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference between them other than the vibration sound from this one. But yeah, let me know in the comments which one you would like to try, or if you've already tried it, one or both, which is your favourite. But yeah, I guess that's about it, so we're gonna wrap things up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss another showdown in my Skincare Smackdown series. Until next time, keep glowing and keep questioning, because skincare should always be a little bit rebellious. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. You are amazing. I hope your day ahead of you is amazing, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. So I guess until then, TJ over and out.